Hey everybody, Paul here for our first new video of this new topic, counting. And you're like, wait, what? Counting is like a math we're going to do? Turns out counting problems are often a little bit more tricky than they seem, but not too hard once you learn some of the techniques and strategies. Let's start with this first question, right? Here's our scenario. Khalil, my boy, Khalil is trying to pick out an outfit for the day. He has four different shirts to choose from, plaid, checker, black, and Hawaiian, and three different pants to choose: jeans, khakis, and sweats. He's in a rush, so he grabs a random shirt and a random pair of pants. That's so y'all aren't like, you can't wear a checker shirt with sweats. Like, any possible combination works. How many different possible outfits could he end up with? See, this is a counting question. It says, how many? It's going to be some whole number, right? So, how do we approach this question? There's a couple different ways. The first thing we're going to look at is the idea of making a list. And a list is just all of the different possible outfits written out, and then you can count the things that you've written out, right? Now the question is, how do we make this list? So we're going to be really strategic, and we're going to be what we're going to refer to as systematic. And you'll see what systematic looks like in a second. But systematic means having a system in place. So we're going to make up some symbols for the shirts. So our shirts are going to be letters. They're going to be P, C, B, and H. I'm sure you can guess what all those stand for. And then we'll have our pants. And our pants will be J, K, and S. You can see we've used letters to represent all the different possible outfits, right? We had the four different shirts and the three different pants, and the letters together will be an outfit. So at this point, what a lot of people start doing is they start just writing down random pairs. Okay, P with J. I'll do P and J. And then I'll do C and K, and I'll do B and S, and then we'll do, I don't know, H and K. And it's sort of just like all the random letters written down, and it's actually a really, really not a good way. This is not a good thing to do because it's not systematic. It's really easy to misplace or forget or double up and write down the same thing twice. So we're going to do it in a structured, systematic way. Okay? And sorry if that was behind my screen, my little face part. I will make sure not to do that anymore for this, right? So we're going to start with our first pair, our first shirt. So we'll have P, and then we'll do our first type of pants, PJ. And then we will do also again our first shirt, P, and our second type of pants, PK. And then our shirt, P, and our last pair of pants, S. And what we've now done is we've exhausted all of the possible plaid outfits. There's no more plaid outfits. And then we move on to the next letter, right? So then we're going to do C with J, and then C with K, and then C with S. And we've exhausted the possible combinations. And you can kind of see like, oh, when you count this way, when you list things this way, sometimes patterns seem to emerge. And it looks like we're getting 3 for each of our shirt letters. We'll finish it up with the Hawaiian shirt with jeans, khaki, and sweats. And these are our outfits. These are all of the possible outfits. There's no more. There's plaid with jeans, there's black shirt with khakis, there's a Hawaiian shirt with sweats. Even if you don't think you should wear that, you could wear that. And all we now have to do is count the different pairs. I think that's 12, right? Do it one more time. Just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So what we did was, right, we listed out the different possible kind of like options we have for shirts and options for pants, and then we created all the possible pairs over here in what we are referring to as a systematic list. And we counted them, and that's our answer. So to answer this question, you would say Khalil has 12 possible outfits. I hope that makes sense. We're going to see another method after this, which has its strengths and weaknesses, and we'll go from there, okay? See y'all soon. Bye.